One day, when there was a good deal of kicking, my mother whinnied to me to come to her. Whinnied, we have done, is actually a past tense of whinny. Whinny is a soft high sound made by a horse. Okay, it's a soft high sound made by a horse. Then she said, I wish you to pay attention. Now the mother is saying to the young colt, I wish you to pay attention to what I am going to say to you. The colts who live here are good colts, but they are cart horse. But they are cart horse colts. And of course they have not learned manners. Now mother horse was looking at how the young colt was running with other colts, and they were having a rough fight because they were continuously kicking and biting each other. Now she has called this young colt his son, and she's saying that I want you to pay attention what I'm saying, that the colts which are living here in this plantation, in this meadow, are very good colt, but what they are, the difference is that they are cart horse colts, means they pull the cart, and of course they have not learned manners. They don't know the manners because they are fighting, they are kicking, they are biting, they are playing like with kicking and biting, so they don't have manners. You have been well bred means you have been well bred, and well born. Why? Because your father has a great name in these parts. She is saying that your father, हमारे पापा है, उनका बहुत बड़ा नाम है. Okay, and your grandfather means your father ji, your grandfather won the cup 2 years back at the Newmarket races. Now she is saying that you are not an ordinary horse. You are well bred horse, so you should learn manners. Because your father, he had a great name in these parts, and your grandfather, he was one of the horses those were running in the races. Okay, and he won the cup because he was the fastest of all the horses here, and he won the cup in the race. Your grandmother had the sweetest temper. Sweetest, what is a temper? Meaning state of mind. Sweetest temper means she was very emotionally balanced. उसका जो temper था, उसका वो emotionally she was balanced. She was not very rude to others. She was not like very aggressive. वो गुस्से वाली नहीं थी, वो बहुत शांत स्वभाव की थी. Of any horse I ever knew. Okay, now she is saying that your grandmother had the sweetest temper of any horse I ever knew, and I think you have never seen me kick or bite. So you have never seen me kick or bite. I hope you will grow up gentle and good and never learn bad ways. Do your work with a good will. Will here means your own strength, your ability. So do your work with your own good will. Lift your feet up well when you trot. What is a trot? When the horse, they walk slowly. When they walk slowly, that is called as trot. So she is saying that you have to learn manners. When you walk, you have to walk in such a way that people will look at you. And never bite or kick even in the play. Means even when you are playing, you should never bite or kick. See how mother horse is teaching the manners to the colt. Like your parents, your teachers, they teach you manners कि आपको ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे करना चाहिए. You should not kick, you should not push anyone, you should not beat anyone. So same way this mother horse is telling to this colt that you should not bite or kick even when you play, because your family is such a family. It is such a family, वो ऐसी family है जिसमें सबका नाम है. Like your father had great name, your grandfather won the cup, and then your grandmother, she was so emotionally balanced, and I never kick anyone. So you should learn these manners from your parents and forefathers. Means you should learn your this manners from your parents and the grandparents. I have never forgotten my mother's advice. Now this colt is saying, I have never forgotten my mother's advice. I knew she was very wise. Now he is saying that I knew she was very wise. Wise मतलब वो बहुत समझदार थी. She was very wise, she was very intelligent, and our master thought a great deal of her. And our master, he loved her. मतलब हमारा जो master है, he loved her. Her name was Duchess. Now whose name it was Duchess, but he often called her Pet. Okay, this Duchess was the name of the mother horse, but the master, he called her Pet because he loved that horse very much. The mare, not horse, she was a female, so the female of a horse is mare. Okay, so she was a very fine mare of that plantation. Our master was a good, kind man. He gave us good food, good lodgings, good place to stay, very clean place to stay. ऐसा नहीं था कि वो उनको ऐसी अस्तबल में छोड़ देता था. अस्तबल, we call it stable, where the horse and the cow and the buffaloes, they stay. So that place was every time it was cleaned. It was every time cleaned and good. And kind words. He spoke to us kindly as if he is talking to his own children. We were all fond of him. So all the horses, they loved him very much because the master loved his horses very much. And he was fond of this colt's mother, this mare, this brown mare, this mother horse. So the master was very, very fond of this mother horse. He loved her very, very much. When she saw, now he's saying that my mother also, she also loved this master very, very much, and my mother loved him very much. When she saw him at the gate, she would neigh. Neigh means जो आप घोड़ों की आवाज़ सुनते हो, हिनहिनाना जो आप सुनते हो, that is neigh, with joy and trot, walking slowly and trot up to him. He would pat and stroke her. He would gently rub the back of the horse. Okay, प्यार से वो stroke, प्यार से rub करना, and would say, well, old pet, and how is your little darky? Darky, this small young colt. Okay, so his master would say, well, old pet, how is your little darky? So darky was this horse's name, this young colt's name. I was a dull black, so he called me darky. Then he would give me a piece of bread which was very good, and sometimes he brought a carrot for my mother. She would eat hers with relish. Relish means with all happiness. ओके, relish बहुत खुशी से खाना. कुछ भी आप जैसे आपके लिए कुछ भी मम्मी पापा कुछ लेके आते हैं, आपकी फेवरेट चीज़, यू relish, you eat that with relish, means with happiness. All the horses would come to him, but I think we were his favorites. My mother always took him to the town on a market day in a light gig. Okay, light gig. Gig we have done here. It is a two-wheeled carriage drawn by a horse. So he's saying that all horses loved him very, very much. They also came to him, but the master would give the extra love and care to the darky and his mother. So he was feeling very proud. उसको बहुत अपने उस पे बहुत खुशी होती थी that we are his favorites, that मेरी मम्मी और मैं, we are our master's favorites. Now there comes the story of a plowboy. There was a plowboy named Dick. His name was Dick, who sometimes came into our field to pluck blackberries from the hedge. When he had eaten all he wanted, he would have what he called fun with the colts. Now, what he called fun with the colts, he used to throw stones and sticks on them and make them gallop, make them run, make them gallop. We did not mind him much, for we could gallop off, but sometimes a stone would hit and hurt us. Now he is saying that this was this plowboy named Dick. He would come to pluck the blackberries. He will eat the blackberries in the plantation, in the meadow, and then after he has eaten all that, what he called fun, वो क्या करता था, वो जो फन करने की कोशिश करता था, he used to throw sticks and stones on the horses and the colts so that they can gallop. But Now the colt is saying that we did not mind much, हमें उतना बुरा नहीं लगता था, but sometimes that stone and the stick would hurt us. Sometimes that stone and the stick would hurt us. Now one day he was at the game and did not know that the master was in the next field, but he was there watching. Now one day the same thing this plowboy Dick was doing, and this master was watching from the next field and he was not knowing. So plowboy को पता ही नहीं लग रहा था वो master उसको देख रहा था. So he was watching him. What was going on? Now over the hedge he jumped in a snap. In a snap means very quickly. आप snap इसको कहते हो, आप चुटकी बजाते हो ना, this is called as snap. In a snap. In a snap means very very quickly. In a snap, and catching Dick by the arm, he gave him such a box on the ear as made him roar with pain and surprise. As soon as he saw the master, we trotted up nearer to see what went on. Now he's saying that he's telling that this Dick was doing the same thing. He was throwing the stick and the stone on the colt, and this master was watching from the field. And then he over the hedge he jumped in a snap very quickly, जिसे पता ही नहीं लगा, एकदम से उसने क्या किया, he jumped in a snap and he caught Dick by his arms, and then he gave him a punch, hard punch. Box is a blow with a fist. He made a punch and then he gave him a good beating on the ear, and he roared with pain and surprise. The plowboy Dick, he roared with pain and surprise. So all the colt and the horse, they came nearer to see what happened. Now this master is saying, bad boy, he said, bad boy to chase the colts. This is not the first time, not the second, but it shall be the last. There, take your money and go home. I shall not want you on my farm again. So this master gave him the money and said that now you are fired. आप तुमको काम से निकाल दिया गया, तुम जाओ. मैंने तुम्हें कितनी बार देखा है how you have hurt the colt and the horses with the stick and the stone. So we never saw Dick anymore. Now old Daniel is the name of the master. Daniel. Old Daniel, the man who looked after the horses, was just as gentle as our master, so we were well off. Now he is saying that old Daniel was very very gentle, he was very very loving, so we were comfortable with him. This way we have read the lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you so much.